Joe Beermaster here. We have an apartment size electric stove. This one has been replaced. It's beat, but I'm going to show you how to change the elements on it. First you have the upper elements and the elements inside the oven. Right there, this is really simple. So if any one of these elements goes bad, you can buy these at a big department store like a hardware store, or you can buy it at an appliance shop. They're pretty standard. And basically lift it up, slide it out like a light bulb. You get the new one. You see that in there? It's a little socket. Get the new one, put it back in, and push. So watch it doesn't get hung up. Let's do it again. Put it in, and then let's set it back down. There you go. You gotta sometimes wiggle a little bit. We're gonna do this one. Same thing, we're gonna lift it up, pull it out, get the new one, put it in the socket, and let it down. Now, for the oven one, there's one in the bottom and there's one in the top. This thing's going right to the junkyard. So you can see there's an element there and one on the top, right there. Basically what you do is unscrew it right there. That's about a 7mm maybe, or a 1/4 inch. Not sure. Just unbolt them. You pull it out just like the upper part. Plug the new one in and put the 2 bolts back in. Same thing with the top. This one's a little offset. So that's done. And if for some reason the stove is not working, sometimes you can lift this hood up, pull up on that, and these little units here, these little sockets go bad, and they can be replaced really easy. There's a little screw right up in there. So we can see it, same thing, same size as the other ones. And you just follow it down. You have to take the back panel off here and just connect it through there. It's pretty simple. And if you even want to change these panels, these not panels, these little pans here, you just pull it out and you lift that up, put a new one in. This one's really seen better days. And then put the element back in, click it, boom, done. So that's the basics. If you got one that's not working, or even the oven one's not working, that's how you'll change it. Pretty simple. You don't need an appliance expert for that. Follow manufacturer instructions as always. And Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe.